Hello, my friends. My name is Jessica. I am a mom. I have 2 children. We live in a small house. We are happy. Today I will tell you about my day. I will tell you the things I do every day. This video is for English learners. Don't worry. I will speak slowly. I will use easy words. You can understand. You can learn with me. I hope this helps you. You can listen to my story. You can learn new words. You can practice English. Every day I do many things. I wake up early. I make breakfast. I take my kids to school. I clean the house. I cook lunch. I help my children with homework. I cook dinner. I play with my kids. At night, we all go to sleep. In this video, I will tell you about 3 parts of my day: the morning, the afternoon, and the evening. Are you ready? Let's start my story together. I wake up at 6. 0 inches the morning. It is dark outside. I feel a little tired, but I get up. First, I wash my face. I brush my teeth. Then I go to the kitchen. I make coffee. I drink my coffee. Then I start making breakfast. I cook eggs and toast for my children. Sometimes I make pancakes. My kids love pancakes. They smile when they see pancakes. While I cook, I also prepare their lunch. I put fruit in their lunchbox. I put sandwiches in their lunchbox. I put juice in their lunchbox. At 7, I wake up my kids. They do not like to wake up early, but they get up. They wash their faces. They get dressed. I help my little girl. She is young. My older son dresses himself. He can do it alone. Then we all sit down. We eat breakfast together. We talk a little bit. We talk about school. I ask, "Do you have everything for school?" Sometimes they say yes. Sometimes they say no. I check their school bags. I want to be sure. After breakfast, I clean the kitchen. I wash the dishes. I wipe the table. I start the laundry. At 8, we leave the house. I drive the kids to school. It takes 20 minutes. Then I drive back home. Now my kids are at school. I start my day alone. When I get home, the house is quiet. I sit down, I drink some water, I rest for a few minutes. Then I start working again. I fold the clean clothes. I clean the living room. I sweep the floor. Sometimes I go shopping. I walk to the small shop near my house. I buy food. I buy things we need, like bread, like milk, like soap.
Hello. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. It's a busy day.
Yes.
What do you need today?
I need bread, milk, and some apples, please.
Sure. Do you want white bread or brown bread?
White bread, please.
And here is the milk. Do you want a big bottle or a small one?
A big one, please.
Okay. And here are the apples. They are fresh today.
Perfect. My children love apples.
Is that everything?
Oh, yes. I also need some soap.
No problem. Here you are.
Thank you very much. How much is it?
It's $5.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. See you next time. I carry my bags home. The shopping is not heavy. I feel happy. I have everything my family needs. At 12, I eat lunch. I eat rice. I eat vegetables. Sometimes I eat soup. I like simple food. Sometimes I eat with my neighbor. We talk and eat together. After lunch, I wash the dishes again. Sometimes I take a short nap. I sleep for 20 or 30 minutes. It gives me energy. I feel better after my nap. At 2:30, I leave the house. I drive to the school. My children are happy when they see me. They tell me about their day. I played soccer. I read a book. It makes me smile. I feel happy. When we get home, the kids change their clothes. We eat a small snack. Maybe fruit. Maybe crackers. Maybe yogurt. Then it's homework time. I sit with them at the table. I help them. I help with reading. I help with writing. I help with math. I try to make it fun. We talk and laugh while we work. If there is extra time, the kids watch a cartoon, or they play a game. And me, I start thinking about dinner. At around 5, I start making dinner. I cook rice. I cook vegetables. Sometimes I cook chicken. Sometimes I cook fish. My children help me. They wash the vegetables. They set the table. We eat dinner together. We sit at the table. We talk. I ask, "How was your day?" They tell me funny stories. They talk about school. I love this family time. After dinner, we clean the kitchen. I wash the dishes. My kids help me. They dry the dishes. Then we all go to the living room. We play a little. We read books. Sometimes we watch a short cartoon together. It is our quiet time. It is our happy time at home. At 7:30, it's bath time. Each child takes a bath. I help my little one. My older son does it by himself. Then they brush their teeth. They put on their pajamas. Before bed, we read one more story. The kids choose a book. I read slowly. They listen. They smile. At 8:30, it's bedtime. I turn off the lights. I say, "Good night, I love you." They say, "Good night, Mommy." Then the house is quiet again. I sit on the sofa. I drink tea. I rest. I relax. I feel tired, but I also feel very happy. That is my day. I do many things. From morning to night, I take care of my family. I clean. I cook. I help my children. It is a lot of work, but I love it. Every day is a little different, but also the same. I wake up. I work. I sleep. It is not always easy, but it is special. Being a mom is a big job, but I enjoy the small moments, like talking at dinner, like reading stories, like seeing my children smile. These moments make me happy. They make me proud. I hope you liked this video. I hope it helped you learn English. Did you learn new words? Did you understand my story? You can listen again. You can practice. You can write the new words in a notebook. You can try to say your own daily routine in English. You can record your voice. You can listen to it. It is okay to make mistakes. Don't give up. Every day you will get better. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening to my story. I am happy to share my life with you. If you want more videos like this, please like this video. Please subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Have a good day. Keep learning English.